In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix heading in Excel. We will take a plain, boring heading and turn it into something clear and easy to read. First, select the heading. Move your mouse to the cell that contains the heading text you want to fix. Click that cell one time. You should now see a thick border around the cell, and the cell address will appear in the name box above the sheet. If you click the wrong cell by accident, just click once on the correct heading cell again to switch the selection. Now make it bold. With that heading cell still selected, look near the top of the Excel window and click Home. This takes you to the main toolbar where you format most things. On the Home tab, find the Bold button with a capital B on it and click Bold. As soon as you click it, the heading text becomes thicker and darker. This makes the heading stand out from the rest of your data so your eyes find it faster when you scroll. Next up, center the heading. Click the same heading cell again so it is selected if it is not already. In the Home tab, look for the Alignment section where you see several horizontal line icons. Click the Center button there. Right after you click, the text will move to the middle of the cell from left to right. If your heading is over a table of numbers, centering it helps line it up visually with the data below. From there, make the heading bigger. Keep that heading cell selected. In the same Home tab, look at the font size box, usually near the font name. It will show a number, such as 11 or 12. Click the small arrow next to that font size number to open the size list. Choose a larger size like 14 or 16 and click it once. As soon as you choose it, the heading text grows on the sheet. You do not need to confirm anywhere else. The change happens immediately. If the new size makes the text cut off, you can slightly widen the column by dragging the line between the column letters at the top. A slightly larger size, like 14 or 16, usually works well without making the row too tall. With those changes in place, look at your sheet for a moment. You will see your heading in bold, centered in its cell, and larger than the data below. It should now be much easier to spot and read when you move around the worksheet. So in this short session, you took a plain Excel heading and made it bold, centered, and larger so it clearly stands out. If this helped you clean up your heading, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Excel fixes.